In less than 3 minutes, let's talk about some things that you probably didn't know about your net worth. Your net worth is the difference between what you own and what you owe. What you own is your assets and what you owe is your liabilities. If your assets are greater than your liabilities, then you have a positive net worth. If your assets are less than your liabilities, then you have a negative net worth. You're gonna list all your assets and you're gonna add them all up together. Here are some examples of your assets. Your checking and savings accounts in a bank, your investment accounts like IRA, 401k, and other brokerage accounts. Your car, and you can get the value of your vehicle on Kelley Blue Book. Your home, you can get the value of your home on Redfin or Zillow. Your business assets, your personal property like art, cash value of any insurance policies. Now you're gonna list everything that you owe and you're gonna add them all up together. And here's some examples of your liabilities. The mortgage balance of your home, your credit card balances, the balance of your car loan, student loans, or personal loans. Just keep in mind that your everyday expenses are not considered liabilities. You take the total value of your assets minus the total value of your liabilities. Let me give you an example. You have $5,000 in your personal savings account, $5,000 in your brokerage account like Robinhood or Vanguard. Your car is worth, let's just say $10,000 according to Kelley Blue Book. Your home is worth $300,000 according to Redfin or Zillow. And your wedding rings are worth $3,000. You have $323,000 in total assets. For liabilities, you owe $270,000 for mortgage, $6,000 for car loan, and $30,000 for student loan. You have $306,000 in total liabilities. So now what you do is you take $323,000 in assets minus $306,000 in liabilities, and that equals to $17,000. So what you have is $17,000 in total net worth. This is completely up to you. I do it on the first of every month, and I know some other people do it every quarter or every year. It's important that you calculate your net worth so you understand where you are with your finances. Now that you know how to calculate your net worth, how far out are you from becoming a millionaire? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Check out these 2 3-minute videos as well as the new fire video coming out tomorrow, Sunday at 9 a.m. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fire videos.